country people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a new subscriber, my name is Benny S. Thank you for checking my video out. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome. Before we proceed to this video, as you've seen the headline, the topic and everything, give it a like, share out this video, comment, tell me what you want me to do. Anything you say, I'll do it. You're my boss, I'm your employee. So let's dig into the video. And sorry guys, I'll be doing a voice note on this video because the background was too noisy. It was too noisy and I couldn't speak while doing whatever I was doing. So if you're too curious to know what this video entails, kindly subscribe. I love you guys. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers and I'll be giving away something special to the special people. You all are special anyway. Love you guys. Let's go into the video.
So guys, from here So guys, from here I've just placed the two pieces of fish. Hey, see how those fish are big. Hey, hey, hey. Turn them. And by the way, guys, I always eat. As you can see, the other